Welcome everyone to the Inclusive Kitchen. Here I have with my chefs Pax and Lily. But we are making the tulip cracker sandwiches. We are making these because we read an article about a tulip festival in Amsterdam, which is off the coast of Europe. And today we are celebrating Autistic World Day, which celebrated autistic people like myself, my two classmates, Noah, Kaylin, and especially Pax. So if you had a loved one who was born with autism, always remember to love them and accept them for who they are, because they are an important part of your life, and you are an important part of theirs too. So, may our chefs begin the cooking. Lily, what's the first step?
First step is spread cream cheese onto
Half of crackers.
fries.
It's okay, Lily. Just take your time. And since we're celebrating the Tulip Festival, and since we're celebrating the Tulip Festival from our article, I got a plant joke for you. What did the oak tree say to the banana tree?
What?
Please don't leave me. Oh, put the cracker on top of that. Pax, what's the third step on our recipe?
Put round strawberry hair to each cracker sandwich.
Here you go, Pax. Put the strawberry on.
No, Pax, you had to put the strawberry on the cracker.
Onto the cracker. And then now put the stem. Oh,
Excellent work.
and now put this like that.
Since we are waiting for Lily to finish up with the petals, I have another plant joke for you. What is a Venus flytrap's favorite food?
What?
Insectoid cuisine.
And this is what it should look like after.
And here we have is the process on how to make the sandwiches.
And so now
And now we're gonna
stop
repeat the same.
and repeat the same step as for our friends.
And we are back with our taste testers, Pax, Lily, Joshua, Noah, and Caitlin. Let's begin the taste testing.
Yeah, I'll be right back, guys.
Pax, do you like it?
We'll be right back, guys.
Take a bite. Eat some strawberry.
Yes.
Go to eat it. Put it in your hand. Take a bite.
How many thumbs ups do you all give it?
A double thumbs up. Double. Just like it.
Caitlin, what thumbs up do you give?
One thumbs up. That's it.
Lily
2 thumbs up.
and Pax, do you like it? Yes or no?
Yes.
And we all get a positives. For me, I think of it as a meh. And that's all the time we have for today. Remember, happy Autistic World Day. And
Bye.
Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.